Hello friends, today we will go through the dashboard of Edenvatika. You will be asking or wondering what is Edenvatika. So I must tell you Edenvatika is a professional garden planning solution for growth and success. From seed to harvest, we deliver reliable data-driven garden planning tools that drive measurable results for gardeners of all levels. So what you see when you log into the dashboard, what you first see is a dashboard with 4 columns or card showing your growth, how many plants you are growing, how many beds, garden beds you have, what are the different tasks which have been created, and any harvest if you made them or available to you. Then there is an option for garden journal, a link to Edenvatika blog. If you are on a pro subscription, you will see a weather dashboard showing your local weather and recommendation based on that. For example, if it's raining outside even a little, or there is a high humidity outside, then it will suggest you to either stop or skip or reduce watering to prevent fungal issues. You might also get smart suggestions like monitor for fungal infection due to high moisture content based on your current weather report. Then you will see today's task, what you are growing now, and quick access links to your journal, blogs, profile, or settings. Well, the key features of this app are as follows: visual grid designer, which you can access from garden, then garden beds, design garden. You under design garden, you can access the visual grid designer, a map out your garden layout. You can map out your garden layout with our intriguing drag and drop grid, choose custom dimension, or use the integrated square foot gardening mode with your choice, and plant anywhere as you like as per your space. See your vision come to life in real time as you arrange plants exactly where you want them. Then there is a plant menu. When you go to the plants, you can access all the plants from the database. You can click on any of them and see their description, their growing steps, their growing temperature, their germinating temperature, how many days it takes to germinate, do they need support if any, their timeline of growth, their companions and foes, care, common pest, common disease, pro tips, etc. And during planting in the garden designer, you can also see the intelligent companion suggestions. For example, you go to the designer and select beans. Now it will show that beet is a foe, and cabbage, celery, corn, cucumber, these are the plants are common companions, radish. So you can plant accordingly. You don't need to remember them or search on Google. It's already fed on in the database. As you plant, Edenvatika provides live feedback on which plants grow well together and which to keep apart. Boost your garden health, deter pests naturally, and improve soil nutrition by making smart choices from day one. Then we have a personalized planting calendar. Set your local frost date and let Edenvatika do the rest. It automatically generates a customized calendar telling you when to sow, transplant, and harvest each plant in your garden plan. We track the dates as you can focus on the gardening. For example, when we are in the calendar, under Pro account, you can also manage the or mark the each phase, completion of each phase from seeding, germination, transplant, if it's required, harvesting, anything. Then there is a plant database and garden journal. You can explore a rich searchable database of plants with detail on spacing, care and planting times. Then keep a personal garden journal to track observations, upload photos of your progress and watch your garden grow season after season. To access the tracking, you first have to go to the calendar and then tracking menu is enabled. Then click on the tracking and you will see all the plant that you have planted. You can also see how many plant of each category you have planted. You can upload photos, take notes, add notes, harvest info. You can also add harvest info. Then there is a task management and reminder. Never miss a crucial gardening task again with our task list and reminder. It automatically creates tasks whenever many common tasks whenever you plant any plant, vegetable, fruit or anything in the garden. With this, you will never miss a crucial gardening task again. Edenvatika automatically populates your to-do list from your garden and sends timely reminder via email or push notification of your choice. On free account, you only get web push notification. On pro account, you get email and push notification both. Ensuring you always know what needs to do or doing. But you can still add or edit any task as you like. Thank you.